Welcome to Leaseweb Tech Demo. This episode is on Shield distribution, a feature designed to optimize content delivery while reducing origin load and improving caching efficiency. To set up a Shield distribution, click on the New button. Click on Shield CDN. Create a description for the distribution name that makes sense to you. Let's call it Shield distribution. Select the origin that you want to set up, that you want to use for the Shield distribution, and click on Save. You can now see the Shield distribution being created in your list. Click on the pencil to add the policies of this distribution. You can add multiple policies to a Shield if you want to use only one policy. A good choice to call it default policy. Fill this in at the description of the policy. In the path regex field, you can either fill out the root directory or something else like my subdirectory. Specify the allowed methods in these fields. It specifies which HTTP methods should be allowed for this distribution. By default, only GET requests are allowed, which is a good default for static content distribution. All others are disabled by default for both performance and security reasons, and the CDN will refuse to service them. Cache settings are important to serve content faster. Let's select it for one day. You can choose whether to use HTTP or HTTPs to make requests to the origin server. I selected the simple origin that we have set up earlier. You can click on X forwarded for when you want to lock the header value of IP addresses of users. Then we select redirect to HTTPs, choose your default cache and delivery compression, then save your changes by clicking on Save. That's how you can configure Shield distribution. Thanks for watching Leaseweb Tech Demos. Tune in for more next time.